Previously on The Way We Did It, we took our Lance to North Cascades National Park. Where we decided to extend our trip and continue west to Oregon's coastline. It was our last day in the Cascades. Our plan was to continue driving the North Cascade Loop, going as far as Leavenworth before settling into our next campground near Lake Chelan. But first, a surprise breakfast.
Okay, up at dawn, off to try to get these wagon wheel kitchen pancakes. Shan's still sleeping, so she sent me on an errand. We'll see how well I do. So, super nice folks here at Silverline Resort. Set me up real good. Gave me a full-on 2 coffees, all you can eat pancakes, and a tray to carry you home with. Shannon's gonna be pumped. We're ready to eat our pancakes, and we have a secret weapon from Vancouver. True Canadian maple syrup.
Dave did a great job delivering on breakfast. And bringing out the maple syrup we picked up from Vancouver was a nice touch. It only took an hour for us to reach Lake Chelan. This long, narrow lake is glacier-fed. It supports a wide range of agriculture like fruit farms and wineries. Since we were already here, we decided to take a quick peek at the campground we booked through Hip Camp for the night. It was called Summerhill Farm and RV Park. The 160-acre farm hosted 15 tent and RV sites with hookups. Since it was too early to check in, let's go to Leavenworth. Leavenworth was a Bavarian-themed town with a picturesque backdrop of the Cascade Mountains. In keeping on theme were pubs galore serving pretzels, pastries, brats, and beers, which we of course indulged in. Not quite ready to return to camp, we continued driving the scenic road. Going up and over Stevens Pass at 4,000 feet, and stopped to hike Deception Falls, our favorite spot of the entire trip.
Get out.
Oh my God. The loud rumble of water was everywhere. Now, a little Dave POV footage.
Look at her filming.
Hello.
Where are we?
We are at Deception Falls.
Slow down.
As we finished up the trail, we realized we had ventured over 2 hours away from camp. We also realized it was the last day of our Pacific Northwest trip before heading back home to Colorado. Now, if you've followed us for a while, then you know Dave and I have been known to spontaneously change a plan or two. Or 3. Well, that's exactly what happened here. Okay, change of plans. There's actually 2 parts to this. Part 1, we are not going home to Colorado. We kind of decided a couple days ago to drive out to Oregon and drive down its coast to see the Redwoods National Park and possibly Crater Lake. Part 2, we're not staying at that farm. We've decided to start that journey today, so we booked a last-minute campsite near Mount St. Helens. So that's where we're going right now. Ready?
Let's go.
That's right, we weren't ready to go home, so we formulated a new plan to finish up the Cascade Loop and continue west to Oregon's coastline, with our first stop near Mount St. Helens. We arrived to the campground pretty late in the evening, so here's a glimpse of it the next day. We stayed at the North Longview Mount St. Helens KOA, which is actually not a KOA anymore. We booked a back-end site with full hookups, and our site came with precisely that, no picnic table or fire pit, which was fine for us because we hit the road early on a mission. We're in Oregon.
Going to Portland.
Woohoo!
Salt and straw, baby.
We purposely planned our route to go through Portland to stop here. That's a happy boy. What flavor did you get?
Pear and blue cheese.
Yum.
I haven't gotten to the blue cheese part, but the pear.
Really
The
good.
vanilla. So good.
I got chocolate with gooey brownie. And after our short and sweet visit to Portland, we had finally made it to the Oregon coast. Next time on The Way We Did It, we take our lance down the rugged coastline of Oregon. If you'd like to join us on more adventures, be sure to like this video and click that subscribe button. And if you're interested in supporting our channel, you can make a one-time donation to our Happy Camper Fund to receive a shout out in our videos. And for even more perks, you can find us over on Patreon, so we can continue to show you the way we did it.